Like all in this discussion now, why should I tame my tongue?
I think our producer is trying to hint us at something.
Okay, would you like us to pipe down? Is that it? All right. Who said yes? Judy? So, all right. So here, we've all been in an argument at some point or the other. I was just in one 2 minutes ago with Harold.
Every day.
And let's admit it, sometimes we allow our tongues to get the best of us. Okay. So our producer, Harold, stop looking at me, Harold. From behind the camera, it's creepy. So our producer gave us 5 ways to tame your tongue.
Wow. Let me say, if it needs to be tamed.
Because sometimes you have to speak out.
Yes.
Sometimes your tongue must rise up.
Yes.
And lash out.
Yes.
Okay.
So number
she's
one.
Giving us some music to ease it.
No, I don't want the music. I want reggae music, a reggae month.
Yeah, find a Bob.
Find a reggae music. Thank you.
Did Bob say anything about?
No, man, I true. The music is great. Me in a reggae month. Can we get a reggae music, please?
What did Bob sing about
that's
taming your tongue?
I can't tame my tongue, you know, because me got it.
What did Bob sing about taming your tongue? Nothing. All right, so anyway, 5 ways.
We really gonna play this music?
Yeah.
In the reggae month?
Yeah. The first one, Delia. Delia, tame your tongue for 1 second now. We're going to choose Grace.
I said it gracefully.
Grace or Grace? I believe in Grace too. I'm a Grace girl, but it's a different thing. Okay. So every single day, multiple times per day, that's what I'm telling you. We have the option to be frustrated and hurt and irritated and angry or judgmental about something somebody else has done. While our default mode might be to feel disappointed or let down, in all of these situations, God bless you, okay?
Thank you.
We have to choose grace. So even when you're mad and you're vexed and Harold is telling you foolishness about things that you know are wrong and you think you should know better, because how can he not understand the difference between X and Y? You choose grace.
I don't agree.
Choose grace.
I don't agree.
What would Jesus do?
Jesus would turn over the table like he did with the money changers. Because when you need to speak the truth, speak the truth. So if you're angry, there's nothing wrong with expressing your anger. What I wouldn't do is carry it on and on and on and on and on.
There's a way to gracefully express your anger. Some people...
So, Harold, this upset me. I'm going to tell you, say, it upset me. Once I've told you it upset me, we're good. But I'm not going to sit down and say, it's all right, it didn't upset me. And then you do something else and I say, you see that? It not upset me.
You just say,
and then the third thing, well, really, I know nothing. Me get so angry because it a boil up. Me not agree, can let it out. Let it out.
Grace, grace. You know that song? God's grace. Listen more than you speak.
Yeah. Easier said than done, but
more
it's a
than
good
you
point.
speak or listen before you speak?
More than you speak, too. If you talk, you're going to hear nothing with the next person, I say.
But sometimes when you listen, after you listen, you have to respond.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I would say listen before you speak. Even though sometimes after listening, you realize you don't even need to give a response for true. So maybe you should listen more.
Yeah.
What do you think, Carol?
And really listen. Don't just hear. Really listen, you know? Because sometimes you say, all right, say what you have to say. And the person is telling you, but you're really not hearing because you just wait for them done to say your piece. So you haven't heard them. So say what you have to say. And then you say, you're done? You're done? Well, hearing me have to say no, which means you weren't listening.
Key takeaway, you can hear without listening.
Yeah.
So when you're listening, just be vested, understand, filter, soak it in, and then when you're finished, if you find it necessary, then you respond. Examine your motives. Talking about taming your tongue this morning. One of the best ways to keep your tongue in check is to examine your own motives behind the words you're saying before you say them. Backhanded compliments.
Yeah.
So you tell somebody, that dress look nice for your type of body. Or, you know those?
Oh, somebody told me one time. Somebody told me one time after I finish a play,
oh, yes,
for
you told me.
For a big person, you have a lot of energy, though.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Did you tame your tongue? No, you didn't. What did you say?
I did. Because, let me tell you how me think now. If you have to try so hard to upset me, it means I bother you and I find that cute.
Could have just said you were really good.
For a big person, you had a lot of energy. So a couple of months later, when I won my Actor Boy Award, I was like,
energy!
A big person won!
All right. So, yeah. That's the best way to respond. Oh, see? Say nothing. So Delia's achievement was your response.
Yeah. No, I didn't say nothing. When they said a big person, I said, thank you. Which confused them. Because them was like, she never knows you insult me, I insult her.
Yeah, because usually you don't really let comments like that pass. That's why I was asking you what you say.
I said, thank you. And them go, like them say, she never understands me.
What did it tell the person who asked you why you don't have a husband here?
If they have one that they want to give me.
Like their own?
Their own. Yeah. Would you like to give me yours?
Okay. Next one, say nothing.
Say nothing.
We've all heard the old proverb, if you can't say something nice, don't say nothing at all. Tame your tongue, guys.
I'm trying. My mother tells me I'm trying.
Do whatever it takes.
I've come a long way. No, I've come a long way.
The book of what,
tongue.
James?
Proverbs?
What you said? Sorry, Aubrey. Book of what?
James. The book of James.
That's your homework.
What about the book of James?
Go and read it. Aubrey
I'm to read it? Have you read Revelation? I'm just asking, you see, and that me not like no. Aubrey asked me to read James, and nobody know nothing to say. And when I asked him read Revelation,
you're throwing shade.
You know, I just can't figure
Tame your tongue. It says, do whatever it takes to keep from blurting out things you might later regret.
It's true.
Whether it literally be biting your tongue,
yeah,
or simply counting to 10,
yeah,
20, 1,000
and it doesn't mean
sometimes.
that what you have to say is not valid, you know. But maybe wait a little bit.
Because sometimes if you say it in that moment, it will come out wrong.
Yeah. And what you want to achieve, you don't achieve it. So maybe waiting.
Yeah.
And then saying it, you get a better response when the anger is not there.
All right. What's the last one?
Watch your words. Let the words you do speak be sweet like honey. No, sir. That's a Jamaican man.
Ask yourself before you begin talking, are the words I'm about to speak the ones I really want to be remembered for? Are they encouraging and constructive? Are they truthful? Are they kind? Are they building someone up rather than tearing them down?
Yeah.
Are they factual? Are they wise? Have I listened well?
Yeah.
If the answer to these questions is no, consider rephrasing them or not speaking at all. Have you ever said anything that you regret?
Yeah, man.
In recent years?
I don't know if it's gone all the way to regret, but I probably could have said it in a better way. But I've said terrible things that I don't regret. Lord Simone, you know me, I'm going to tell the truth.
Honesty is the best policy.
No, yeah, I've said terrible things that let me tell you something, guys. This is a great approach, but I don't know if it works. I'm in a plan for have high blood pressure. I mean, I have a nervous breakdown. So if me have to speak the truth and tell you, I can speak the truth and tell you.
And some people need to hear it.
And then I could get over it.
Yeah.
I don't like the hypocrite thing. When me say, and then, no. Yeah. So that's why I tell Marvin and Aubrey and Arrow what I feel about them every day. Everybody know me feel about them, not true. Y'all look up Revelation. Eh?
Okay.
I know it doesn't bother you, honey. That's why I say it.
You see, she laced her words with honey just a while ago. So we're taking the tips. 5 tips to taming your tongue. And we take a break.
Right, Marvin, honey.
We're not taking a break. We're saying goodbye. We're not saying goodbye. We're saying later because goodbye is too final. No, we don't done. We're finished.
Oh.
Okay, we're not sure. Hold on. Stand by.
Oh. Yeah.
I'm not going to answer. I'm take my tongue.
I bet you thought we were gone, but we're back.
Tricks you. We're going in now, though, because it is 8:20.
No, so we gotta go.
There goes the lotographic.
We gotta go. Spelling Bees tomorrow, right here on TVJ.
Who's hosting the Spelling Bee?
The host. So make sure you tune in. The host.
I'm saying
it's a surprise.
Maybe before tomorrow, though, you would see that Fune is not a word. Because in case it come up as a word, Fune is not T-H-Y.
You know what? You know, every year they have a word that they try to have the viewers spell before the speller.
And?
Me not think nobody we all know. There's actually a prize that
just
goes
Google
with it.
it.
The word odd.
Google it.
The word odd.
All right. We've been with you for a while. I think we should take our leave now because
yes, Empress is ready for tomorrow morning.
She's
so
geared
we
up.
Have to go.
She's geared up. She's raring to go. She'll be here tomorrow at 6 with Neferil.
And her people.
Her people, all three of them.